Hello plant people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mezi and I make videos on plants and sustainable living. In today's video, I will be talking about this beautiful plant that is at my mom's place. As you can see, it has very shiny leaves and it has this weird looking flower. It's very unusual, but it's pretty to me. And this plant is known as Dorstenia bahiensis and also known as mattress button plant. So this plant is native to forested areas of eastern Brazil, and I've read that the flowers pop out seeds, and then once it falls in the ground it will produce pups. You can see on the pot there are small seedlings sprouting out, and another way of getting more of these plants would be dividing it. So this is not a very high maintenance plant. It does well in indirect light and semi-shaded area, and it will do well as a ground cover also. I enjoy looking at this plant because of its shiny leaves and the weird flower that it has. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, do like and share this video, and if you're new here, consider subscribing to my channel for more such contents. I'll see you all in my next video. Till then, take care.